everyone. I welcome all the participants and our today's resource person, Honorable Mr. Sanjeev Raje sir, to the first session of the day third of our AICT IST sponsored online induction refresher program on innovations in concrete technology. I would like to introduce our today's resource person, Mr. Sanjeev Raje sir. Sir is presently working with ready-mix concrete industry in MS Navdeep Construction Company, Mumbai as Vice President. Technical having 3 plants in Mumbai suburbs, city and Navi Mumbai. He has completed ME in Construction Engineering and Technology from University of Mumbai, associated with MS Double Distilled Evaporated Private Limited, Pune as director since 2015, and company is taking turnkey business projects in ethanol industry, that is design, setup of manufacturing unit till commissioning of ethanol manufacturing plant in India and outside country. Presently, partner and associate of MSSR and Associates and MS Nikash Concrete Consultants, Mumbai. He worked as quality control engineer for MS Tata Electric Companies for the thermal power plant project Unit 7 CCPP 220 MW at Trombay, Mumbai, hydropower plant project at Veera Raigad 110 MW GIS project Borivali, Mumbai from the year 1993 to 1995. He has delivered more than 100 lectures in concrete mix design workshops in and around Mumbai, Pune, Nasik, Raigad, Gujarat, Kolkata, Rajasthan, and Kerala. Let us begin our today's session on importance of concrete testing machine in ready-mix concrete industry by Mr. Sanjeev Raje sir. I would like to request sir to start the session.
Good morning, everybody. Shall I share my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible, madam?
Yes, sir, but your voice is getting disconnected.
Screen is visible, madam?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
What about voice is there? Or audible?
But in between it is getting breaks, sir, voice.
Okay. Shall I switch over to the again another Wi-Fi?
Yes, sir.
Or it is? Let us see. Let us try to
Yes,
tap out another one also, because some disturbance is there since morning. Let us. So, is it connected, madam? Is it my voice is clear?
Yeah, it is clear, sir.
Okay, let us start
Yes,
with
sir.
this.
Yes, sir.
If anything goes wrong, please
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
give me the instructions, madam, according to your program.
Yes.
Welcome, everybody. First of all, I would like to thanks to all participants, all innovations taken care. I mean, the initiative taken care by the Yashwantrao Bhosle Polytechnic and their team, HODs, and all principals. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much to invite me for this session. And first of all, I would like to inform you that I am not a doctor. Something is printing mistake or typo mistake in the invitation form. So I just completed my master's at the age of 52, and it's a fantastic thing. Yesterday it was a Valentine Day. I'd always connected with the concrete is my first Valentine, and today is the auspicious day of the Maghi Chaturthi. So we start with the Ganpati Bappa, and let us wisdom of God will support us, and we will fight against this current scenario of this COVID. So welcome again. Let us start with this. Everybody knows about the batching, mixing, transportation, placing, compacting. This is a normal scenario related with the concrete. I mean, you are all participants are excellent in your field. You are professors, so I cannot give much calculation or detailing about this. But the problem is related with the basic problem of the concrete is what people are not understanding the concrete, which is I am talking about normal scenario of the civil engineer. Nobody is interested to go ahead with the concrete because first one is we have to put our hands in a concrete. Second, my clothes or something, I mean, everything is sprinkled with the good cement slurry, or my faces are getting wiped with the or color with the gray color with the cement and concrete. So people are not interested in that area, or you can say that young engineers are not interested to go ahead with this concrete technology or concrete area. Sometimes some colleges are saying that we should reduce the concrete part or concrete syllabus or concrete technology subject, and we can dilute the things. But to be frank, when I am talking about the civil engineering field, this is a vast field basically, and the things is related with what? If you think about that building construction, if you think about that dams, if you think about that transportations, if you think about that normal scenario of any construction calculation, the concrete is there, cement is there. So you cannot neglect 99% the concrete from civil engineering part. So in fact, we have to think about that, how we can improve the concrete and improve the calculation of this concrete or the concrete technology. And I congratulate the college that they had taken a concrete subject and they are doing the FDP on this. So it's a very nice initiative from college. Before that, I will little bit give some calculation related with the A to Z of, you can say, the concrete. So this is, I came from the, in a reverse way, like first I had joined for my initial phase of the concrete and as a site engineer, as a quality control in a Tata Electric. And there I learned a lot with the concrete. That is the best part I had seen in my area. And I learned a lot from the Tata Electric, basically, the good concrete, how to make the concrete in a nice way. And in fact, I turned into this entire field to the concrete only because of my good gurus in that field. So this is the one of the reasons when I started my career in 1992. When we are talking about production, transportation, sampling of today's scenario of the concrete technology, or shall I close my video because some disturbances, if I'm not wrong, I'm getting. whenever we are talking about the concrete and calculations, uh, hello, we have to think about that the RMC also, because today in metropolitan cities, the RMC is one of the major factor. They are supplying the concrete to the all our sites. Not only that, 2 tier, 3 tier, or 4 tiers cities were started with the concrete, which are mechanized concrete, and therefore I have a small stream of this concrete. Let us. I'm going to run this one. If you not able to see, please give me the. Inform me.
Yes, sir.
When we are talking about the flow and calculations, is always related with the concrete flow. You can see here the very nice concrete is there. Every aggregates are flowing at the periphery of the area, and it is evenly distributed. So these are the things we are working. Yes, this is the normal scenario when we are talking about the slump calculation. Previously, it is in a four phase. Now it's a revised ISO upper layer. So these are the things. Little bit I'm forwarding the things. You can see here. Let us see the proper flow. And after flow, after calculation, we should take this